Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. Duplicate your active theme as a backup before you edit anything. This prevents downtime and preserves custom code you might need later. Next, choose a contact template if your theme offers one. If not, create a new page and title it Contact in Pages. Save the page and note its URL for the menu. You will link it from navigation after adding the form. Open the duplicated theme in the theme editor to customize layout. Click Add Section and look for contact or form sections to insert. If no section exists, paste a simple form snippet into a custom HTML block. Configure fields such as name, email, and message, and mark required fields as needed. Set the recipient email address to receive submissions directly. Save your changes and preview the page to verify the form displays correctly. Go to Online Store, then Navigation to add the contact page to your menu. Choose the menu location like Footer or Main Menu and add the new contact link. Publish the edited theme so visitors see the form live. Submit a test message using a real email to confirm delivery is working. Check the recipient inbox and spam folder to ensure messages are not filtered incorrectly. Adjust settings or form notifications if you do not.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.